Welcome to the Lead Section Overview in HelloGrowthCRM. In this guide, you'll learn how to access the Leads dashboard, search and filter leads, switch between table and board views, and create new leads easily. Enter your login credentials to proceed. After that, click the Sign In button to log in. Click on the Sales section from the sidebar to access all lead management tools, including leads, follow-ups, pipeline views, and sales activities. Next, click on the Candidates section to view, manage, search, and track all candidate or lead records from one place. Use the Candidates section to view all lead records in table format, search leads, filter by status, track next actions, schedule follow-ups, and switch between table, board, or card views. Use the search field to quickly find specific candidate records by name, company, or lead details. After searching, the matching lead appears in the list. You can view the lead details, status, next action, follow-up schedule, owner, and industry from here. Click the Table button to view all candidates in a detailed table format with lead details, status, next actions, follow-up schedule, owner, and industry. Switch to Board View to manage candidates visually by stage and easily track their progress through the lead pipeline. In Board View, leads are organized by stages such as new, connected, not connected, didn't pick up, and callback, making it easy to track progress visually. Click the Cards button to switch into a card grid view, where each lead is shown in a compact card format for quick scanning and action. In Cards view, each lead appears as a separate card with contact details, status, owner, follow-up indicators, and quick action buttons for calling, messaging, editing, or managing the lead. Click Import Arched Export to upload lead data in bulk, download existing records, or manage candidate information easily through file options. Next up, click the Import or Export option to upload your candidate's data into the system. Upload an Excel file to import leads into the CRM in bulk. You can also download the sample template to format your lead data correctly before uploading. Click Scan Card to add new leads by scanning business cards, automatically capturing contact details and saving them into the CRM. Use Scan Business Card to capture or upload a card image. The AI automatically extracts details like name, company, phone, and email to create a new lead. Click the New Lead button to create a fresh lead by adding customer details, contact information, source, status, and owner. Fill in the new lead details including company name, phone number, email, action status, and follow-up date. Then click Add Lead to save the record. HelloGrowthCRM helps you manage leads, track sales activities, automate follow-ups, improve customer engagement, and grow your business faster from one powerful platform.